helping me out today. He's a good fella. We're just about to glue the cockpit sole doubler in. Here's the cockpit sole doubler. Jake's just doing a little bit of last minute sanding there to make sure everything is all good. And what the manual says is that we should drill some vent holes so that when we put the glue down, it can squeeze up and not just, I don't know, form air pockets or bunch together or something. I don't know exactly why they said it, but we got to drill some holes. So got the 6mm drill bit in, and we got to drill maybe 8 rows of like 4 or 5 holes across. What are we gonna do now?
What are we gonna do?
Yeah, what are we gonna do?
You're gonna get this, put it into that, and then screw it, and job done.
Job done.
Job done.
You heard the man. The gluing process is complete. It's been screwed and weighed down with all my moving boxes, which I haven't unpacked yet. So we got a good layer of thickened epoxy glue on it, and spread it all out with the adhesive spreaders so it was all even. Aligned it, popped it on, screwed it down, and then put all the heavy stuff on it that we could find to make sure it's all squeezed down. Didn't really get much coming out of the relief holes here, so I don't know. Now it made me really paranoid that we didn't put enough glue in because it didn't squeeze up out of the holes, and I'm freaking out, man. But there's nothing to be done about it now. It's down. So this is all done, and we just wait and see and hope that everything works out for the best, which it probably will. So, you know,